Short NQ on the data release. Look into short. A jobless claim is 730 versus 825. GDP is 4.1. Forecast 4.2, which is mixed data. So market could get a little pop here. Gold and bonds should retreat. Right.
US core PCE prices prelim coming out at 1.4%, 1.4%. That's in line with the forecast of 1.4%.
Gotta be careful here. I think I like the short gold here though.
US GDP deflated prelim coming out at 2.0%.
But we have to wait. Bonds is moving up.
The forecast of 2.0%.
Gold should be a short here, guys.
Order filled.
Bonds too might be a short here. Bonds is a short here.
Order submitted.
US core durable goods coming out at 1.4%, 1.4%. That's higher than the forecast of
Order filled.
0.7%.
Order canceled.
So gold drop. Got the drop on gold. But taking heat in NQ. Yeah, take the trade on I took the trade on gold. NQ, I'm taking some heat. Gold is up to 260. Bonds, I'm down $31. I think gold gonna sell off here. Gold come back here to their 930 open low. I take it off. Then I would manage NQ. So I'm taking the win on gold here. The win on gold at $300, $290. Yeah, taking some heat here in NQ, but NQ should pull back. So we take the win in gold. Look to get the win. See if we could get a drop here on bonds. All right, bonds just start $1 on 25 cents a tick. So you got to be careful here. Dow cross above. ES cross above. All right, so that's where we are. So we got a win in gold. Oh, we should get a win here on bonds. All right. I think I like the Russell here also for a short. We look at the Russell here. Nah, he's at a low here. I won't take the Russell here. All right. I won't take the Russell here. I would like to take the Russell if it ran up a little more. All right. So they're kind of liking the data here on the indices. NQ recover a little. All right. We look for a pivot in NQ though. All right. So
Order filled.
see, I don't want to short RTY here, guys. See that? See here? YM. He's moving up. I kind of like that data, you know what I mean? So we're down in bonds. Bonds rally up back, right? I'm gonna hold bonds a little longer. I usually don't play bonds, but I'm just playing it based on the economic data, right? So see how to digest this data here. So We're gonna see what to do here with YM and RTY, right? Might want to short them. So YM is pretty strong. So carry over from yesterday rally as the rotation out of tech stocks into value stocks. Gonna keep the Dow up and send the Nasdaq and ES down. It stopped up on NQ. So right now I'm losing in bonds, $300, make 290 in gold. So 290 down like $200. Got stopped out in NQ. So this trade is a negative trade so far. Bonds are still rallying. All right, so not gonna give up too much more in bonds here. But I look to take down NQ, right? I look for a turn in NQ, right? So NQ is the weak guy, right? So coming to 9 o'clock, we should be able to get a play on NQ, bro. I think I'll take one here in NQ, guys. I'll take one here in NQ. Hope I get Phil. Come up and pop me here. Cool. Take one in NQ, looking for him to come back. Give us back maybe 40, 80 ticks, right? So, okay, here we go in NQ. Maybe we could take RTY also. Still down in bonds. NQ, we up $80. So we could get a follow through here on this pivot up in the news. See if they take it down now after digest the news. I think RTY is a play here also. Market getting kind of whippy here, guys. You know? Got a double top here. I'm still looking for this candle to come down. So high, and we go low. So here comes an NQ. See how you play that guy? Got stopped out, but you go right back in him, right? So you go right back in it and you try to get it, and that's it. See if we could get a bigger win here. RTY. Up $20. NQ trying to pop up here. Remember, NQ's in an uptrend, so you got to grab the profit, right? So when it was up like close to $200, it was the best time to take it off, right? So it's a counter trend trade. But this candle come up and erase my gains, but I still expect this candle to pull back, right? Momentum is shifting, so it's in an uptrend to come back. It could come back and hurt me, right? So I like YM here also. So we could take YM down. If we could get fill up there, we could take it down, right? NQ erase all my gain. All right. See what gold is doing. He's still in the gutter. I tried to recover. All right, but I think NQ comes down here again, guys. I think we get a drop in NQ. Right. Market just going. It's just you just have the algos here just scalping this thing back and forth, right? So but you put on micros would even be better, right? Because with micros you could take the back and forth, you know. Gold is in trouble here, guys. I think gold is in trouble. Gold could come back and test this low here again. So RTY, we down $10. All right. Got gold again here. We can get a quick win on gold here. See, get a come up. Can't break above yesterday low. And we're looking for him to come back and test this low here. 76. Possible 76, am I right? So try to get fill on YM, can't get fill on YM. So see if gold could come back and test this low here. It's in an uptrend technically, but the low indicators is in momentum is shifting. But so we can get some back and forth movement here, right? So coming into 9 o'clock, we can get some speed in the market, right? We can get some back and forth speed in the market. So it's YM. Should have taken that YM. Should have chased it here. That's a critical point. I'm taking YM here. If I get fill, got fill on one. So looking to come back here to the close, yesterday close, okay? Come back to yesterday close. We make a little money. RTY is kind of trading sideways, not doing much. All right, so NQ's all over the place. Took back all my money. I add another one. See if we get a drop again here. See what we're doing in gold. Gold is up. Gold is up $130. I think that's good enough for me in gold. We get 90 from it. All right. So we make some money in gold this morning, okay? We can get kind of whippy here, guys. All right. Still looking for bonds to pull back. I'm down in bonds. $400. I think he's gonna pull back here. I'll recover some of this loss. I don't want to give up more than what I made, you know what I mean? So kind of close to scratch trade right now. If bonds recover, I'll gain a profit, right? Got gold holders up. RTY, that's going down. All right, that's going up. On YM, we down $50, so that's the place, right? I try to short gold again. If gold gonna keep paying us, we're gonna short gold, right? Not gonna do nothing here till I'll wait till 9 o'clock if I'm gonna add to these trades. RTY or YM, right? So we got out to that goal, we got a pop. Come down, test it. I was too slow. Should I get like 120? I got $90. Getting out. NQ trying to recover. But you know what I think about YM, right? So since yes, the YM is strong. The rotation from big tech to value stocks, we were finding the way in the financials as the 10-year trading above the 30-year. And the yield goes up, the financial goes up. Financial goes up, people move into value stocks, get out of tech stocks or pre-pandemic stocks. Right? That's the rotation that is happening right now. NQ could pop down here, guys. If you want, we could take an NQ micro here. All right. Could take a few NQ micros here. All right. Now, we won't add yet. So we take an NQ micro, right? As NQ come up here, we add a micro, and then we look for the pullback, okay? Could come up here though, right? So you could wait. It's coming into 9 o'clock, so we see what they do here. Probability to push it down, right? RTY. Where is he here? He's up here, okay. Could come up here, you know. The 9 to 1. But we see what happened. Looking for NQ to come down now, guys. So the NQ micro, we up 17 bucks on 2. Look at that. So we look into a failure here in NQ, right? So coming into 9 o'clock, we see if we get the drop, okay? And what the trick is, I don't want to give up more than and YM is coming down here a little. It's in an uptrend though. Hard to short this guy. All right, so NQ would work. We just got to sit in it, right? I'm taking heat and bonds, so my second bond trade for in a year. I still think he's gonna come down. All right. The dollar. We see what the dollar's doing. We should see what the 10-year is doing actually. see if RTY could come down here. Or we could get out at least with a scratch. Why I'm trying to make a move down here into 9 o'clock. So, all right, so we keep this one on. I don't want to add to him. He's strong, you know. We just hold what we have here and see what happens. Trick is you still got to play some, right? So I took the loss on YM for 6 to 5, right? We took the win on all these guys. So we have 1,200 or 1,300 on the bonds. We take in heat, right? I add another one, but he's only down 3 something, but I'm gonna wait him out, right? So see what RTY is doing. He's dropping still. NQ's up and down. On YM, he's a strong. Oh man, YM drop. I could have got out to break even here on YM. Watch bonds here, though, guys. If you don't know anything about bonds, when I went up, then I add. If you have to take one bonds play, could have make some money here. All right, so here we go in bonds. See, get initial pop up, but I look here and I see what's happening with bonds. All right, and I look at the 10-year versus the 30-year. I hold bonds a little longer. Look, we got the drop. Look at that guy. All right, so I'm only down 1 tick. Here we go. I'm out. $62. Break even. What the drop in bonds, guy? Look the drop in bonds, right? That's why I stay in the trade. Took some heat, add, and look at that. So if I was to take that trade up here, right? I didn't expect it to rally up like that, but it caught a bid, it rally up. I add one more, and then we got the drop. All right? Can't go wrong with that, guys. It's beauty, right? So wonder what he looked like on a raincoat. So we end up making, still end up making $1,200 plus, right? We took the $70. No, we end up making all the money except in $10 less, because we got 65, take 65 here, and we got 62 here on bonds. Because you're down 600 in bonds, 700, it came back to get out, you get out. You're not going to hold it any longer with this big move in bonds here, right? So, you guys see that? Stop trade, but yeah, you know what? If you know what's happening in the marketplace, right? So we could actually do let me see if I could do it here. ZN, I think is it, right? ZN versus ZB. All right, 0.39, 0.66. All right. So in terms of here, 0.1, all right, 10-year straight and higher than the 30-year. Okay. So now we got it there, 10-year and 30-year. All right. That's it, guys. Look for the next trade.